guys, welcome back to Quincy's Naturals. If this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. I love you all. So today I'm going to show you guys how to apply on how to make bentonite clay. I've always been using this clay.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion.
I've always been using this clay for as long as I've been natural, even when I used to have my tiny, weeny afro. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this, and be very careful when using this. Don't use any metallic utensil. So everything I'm using here is. So we have bentonite clay, is actually an Indian healing clay, very good as it eradicates all the pores and chemical build-ups in your hair. So we are going to use 1/4 cup of bentonite clay, and then we're going to use 6 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. So guys, actually I don't have much to show you guys. I'm just going to mix this and then apply it on my hair. I wanted us to talk about something. So this is also going to be a chit chat here. Add your castor oil and your whatever oil you have at home, coconut oil, almond oil. I use almond oil. So let's talk about something. I have been to Nigeria 2 years ago. I went to Nigeria, and I wanted us to talk about a foreigner's perspective about Nigerians. A foreigner's perspective about Nigerians. Yeah, if you are hoping to go to Naija, as we usually call that, or if you want to visit Nigeria, you have to be equipped about the things you should expect in Nigeria, about the people, about their culture, about so many things before you go there. So if you really want to go to Nigeria, this video will be good for you. I am a natural hair YouTuber, and I want to talk about this, but I also want to talk about my hair at the same time. So while you're watching this, if you are not the naturalista or you are not having natural hair, but this video might be beneficial to you. So let's talk about something, what you should expect in Nigeria. Yeah, I went to Nigeria 2 years ago for vacation. I actually wanted to just visit Nigeria. I wanted to visit another country. I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Germany, so I wanted to visit Nigeria. I just wanted to go there, and there were so many things I came across. First of all, I went to Lagos. I mean, Lagos is a very beautiful city. There were so many things you can visit while in Lagos. You can visit the Lekki Conservation Center. I was there. It's so good. Therein you get the longest canopy in Africa. It was such a fun moment for me. There were so many nice views, like a restaurant at the seaside or at the riverside where you just sit and you eat, and the breeze, the fresh breeze, just slaps your face. It's so cool. Africa is normally warm. Most of the countries in Africa are warm. So you sitting somewhere that's very cool and refreshing, it's a must. It was such a fun time for me in Lagos. I really enjoyed that side, that sea view, that river view. It was so good. And there was this one thing I like about the restaurants in Nigeria, in Lagos. Oh my god, they roast their fish very different from us, the Cameroonians. They put it in a foil paper, and especially the catfish. It was super delicious. I enjoyed it. It was my first time seeing something like that. So it's really fun to travel because you know about other cultures. You try to get yourself informed about other people, and I really love such. I never knew that. So I really love that. I enjoyed the food, the pepper soup. Oh my goodness. Jesus. Like, if you were going to Nigeria, you have to taste their soup. You cannot even leave that country without even tasting their soup. The soup is so delicious. They have oha soup, they have bitter leaf soup, they have egusi soup, they have pepper soup, they have egusi soup, they have okra soup. What type of soup do you want to eat in Nigeria? You are going to see they have thousands of soup. I can't even name them. Unlike us in Cameroon, yeah, in Cameroon we have variety. I noticed that in Cameroon we have variety than the Nigerians, but they have so many soups that you can't really name them. You can't even number them. Yeah, that's one of the things I really enjoyed about Nigeria. The soup, The food was so good. The only food I did not really like was their banga soup. No, 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 no. I really don't like the banga soup. It doesn't taste well to me at all. It doesn't taste well to me at all. We the Cameroonians, we cook banga soup. It's very, very delicious. I really did not like the banga soup. And their rice is a bit so soggy. It's not really that I don't know why there's a lot of hype about Nigerian rice. It's soggy, apart from this party jollof rice that we all know about, but the typical Nigerian rice is soggy. I don't like that. I don't know why there's a lot of hype about that. You should taste Cameroonian jollof rice. The food, the soup, that's one thing I like about. And the Lagos is a beautiful city. I loved it. I was in Lagos for some time before going. I also went to Warri. I went to Port Harcourt. I went to the Delta State. Here, I went to the Delta State of Nigeria. So, the next thing I want to talk about is the fact that the Nigerians are really welcoming. They are so welcoming. That's one thing about them. They are so welcome. I really love that warm heart of theirs. They're really welcoming. They take you to their home. I went to Nigeria. I was going there for an adventure. I have no family member there. Just go out of your comfort zone and do something. They are really welcoming. I went in Lagos. The people, moving from, I first of all stopped at Lagos before going to the Delta State. You see that in Lagos, the people there are very, they've socialized more than the people in Delta State. I think that makes sense because you see, the Lagos is the economical capital of Nigeria, so they have welcomed like so many other nationals where they have integrated and they have learned about other cultures too, rather than the interior part of Nigeria itself, where you start going out to Delta State and the other places. So I think the people in Lagos are more open and more friendly. That's what I noticed. Very friendly, very lively, the people in Lagos. But when I went to Delta State, I went to Warri. Oh my goodness. I went to Warri. You guys know Warri now. They say Warri no the carry last. Oh yeah. Warri no that place is really dangerous. Merde. That place is dangerous. I don't know the gods, the boldness, that I don't know, that courage that carried me away, and I was really courageous to go to Warri. And I spent the longest time there. I was like, oh my god, that place is dangerous. So Warri, Jesus. In short, the people of Warri are very hardworking, very talented. Now I understand why they say Warri no the carry last. They are really talented. They were hardworking and they are very creative. They are so creative. There's another thing I like about Nigerians in general. Nigerians are really multi-talented. I don't know. I am also a multi-talented person. So when I find someone who is really multi-talented, that just blows me up. I'm so interested in that person because I like to meet people with similarities like myself. I like to meet people who have same things in common like myself. So Nigerians are really multi-talented and I really like that trait about them. They don't do one thing. I went to Warri. There was not a single person I didn't see that does so many things. Like you see, someone does handcrafting. She does hair stuffs. She does baking. She's learning how to decorate cake. She goes to school. She just had her degree. She's a graduate. Like they do so many things. The Nigerians are so multi-talented. So I really love that about them. Did I even mention this? In Nigeria, as you are there, as you move forward, there is a church. As you go to your right, there is a church. As you go to your left, there is a church. As you go backward, like in just a street of 100 meters, you can see like 10 churches. I mean it. Like there were so many churches. Like even where I live, there were like almost 20 churches just in that street. Wow. So that's one thing that's very peculiar about Nigeria. There were just churches everywhere. Everywhere. Another thing I really didn't like about when I went to Warri, the fruits, in short, in the whole of Nigeria, the fruits are just it's trash. I said Africa is blessed with a good soil. Yeah, they have a lot of spices, everything there, but the food, no, no, no. Because I'm saying that out of my experience from my home country, Cameroon, our fruits are just perfect. It's so sweet. I think the reason why the fruits are not good because they use a lot of fertilizers and their farming, they don't have enough farming land. So compared to us in Cameroon, they instead have more lands for their industries. I think they are more industrious. So I think that's one of the reasons, and they just pile up the ground of their farming land or their farming lands with fertilizers. Yeah, I really didn't like their food. It was not so good. Not so good. The street foods, yeah, it's okay. The street foods in Africa are always good and really delicious too. So, another thing I really don't like about Nigerians is short, in short, let me put, I think, I think Nigerians are stingy. Yes. I think Nigerians are stingy. I cannot emphasize on, especially the Igbos. The Igbos are really stingy. I mean, you see someone, you cannot even give someone something. Yeah, they are welcoming, quite. Those Nigerians are welcoming, but they are stingy. I mean, I don't know how I cannot emphasize on this. I'm just know that Nigerians are stingy. So when you go to Nigeria, I really don't expect too much from a Nigerian. Yeah. So personally, I wasn't hurt, or I'm not hurt if I really see such threats coming towards me, because I approach people without expectations so that I don't leave hurt. That's just one thing about me that I'm happy about. So yeah, I mean, so that's one thing I could also compare. If you go to Lagos, the people, they are lively, they are more welcoming, they are really fine, they have integrated, so they don't really approach you with the mind of, oh, let me restrain myself. No, they are really lively. But when you go to Delta State, in the interior, if you go to like the other places, like when you start going in the interior part of Nigeria, the people are more they're more like observant, and to trying to see, okay, who is this, what's that, Another thing I realized is the fact that Niger men can take proper care of their women. Wow, they really do. Like, they provide, they provide for their women, they provide for their family, they take proper care of their families. I think they are exemplary men. Yeah, apart from that, Nigeria is a very beautiful country. I love the place, it was good. I would love to go to Nigeria again. I also like to visit Kenya. I would like to visit Ghana, those, and South Africa. These three countries I would really love to visit: Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa. So guys, if you've been to Nigeria, let me know in the comment section what you think about Nigerians. Or if you've not been to Nigeria or you have Nigerian friends, let me know what you think about Nigerians, or let me know if what I said here makes sense, because I'm just talking out of my own experience. Yeah, out of my own personal experience, how I visited Nigeria, how I came in contact with the nationals, and how I interacted with them. So let me know what you think about this, and see you in my next video. Bye.